Greetings, fellow nerds. Let's open up a Battle Spirits Saga Aquatic Invaders booster box. I have previously opened two different Battle Spirits Saga booster boxes, and my friend and I have played a few games of it, and it was enjoyable. Two special box bonuses, promo card and a promo pack. We played it. It was fun. It was a lot of math for us because it has the Asian trading card game vibe, or whatever you want to call it, with, you know, the thousands for hit points and stuff like that. So here's my Ant-Man token. And then this is the special pack that is supposedly is a bonus. And here's the back, which I do say I love the backs of these. They look so cool. Oh, yeah, they don't have a scent to them. Burning Force foil. Core Theft. Ooh. Discard any cards and place one core spirit into the trash. Nice. Okay. Suppression, lightning arrow. And yeah, so, you know, yep, dragons, monsters, and tanks. It's definitely one of those kind of games. There is, there you go. Can't read it. I'm sure I could find it online what it says, or the lore would tell me, but I haven't read much of the lore. Oh, that's actually, I didn't even realize that. This is lenticular. Holy crap, that just went up hugely in my book. There, you can see it moving. There you go. That is freaking sweet. Here's the pack. Aquatic Invaders. There you go. BattleSpiritsSaga.com. So we enjoyed playing it. It was really cool using soul cores. They have cards with, there's some tokens. There you go. Coral Snake. Cool little artwork. You level them up with the cores, things like that, and that's a cool mechanic, which I really enjoyed. Caregiver Sally Flame. Pestilax. Yeah, there's the Axe Blade. Double Heart. Sea Lancer Subito. So yeah, and then you have these Alice in Wonderland. Man, they love Alice in Wonderland. Giant King Randolph. Oh. War God. Oh, okay, yeah, he's the rare. Okay. Sorry about that. He's a rare. Cool artwork. Standard Bearer Mary Flame. I mean, look at how they level up, and then they get higher hit points. So yeah, we had to have paper and pen and keep track of all our creatures and their hit points, and that got to be annoying. But we had fun with the game, you know, and the whole, all right, you know, do I want to use my cores for this? Do I want to use them for that? That was fun. Great artwork. It seems like they waste a lot of real estate. But doubles already. Warhammer Gordon. Weapon Collector. It was Battle Spirits Saga. Oh, there's the uncommon foil. And the Blazeline Coalmane. Sweet. Well, that's like an extra rare, I think, is the X. I did read one of the booklets that came with the special set. It was a special lore set and booklet. So that was cool to read it and learn about this stuff. What? Sharkman Shawuja. Magic Wrench. Meanwhile, back at the wrench, I'm just going to kind of go through these as quickly as I can. This is... Oh, and here's the foil. Knight and Gaunter. Common. There's so many of these dang tokens. I think I threw out about 500. tokens from this game that came in an eBay lot. Just continue. Sheriff Eagle. Very just, there's the very, how the art style jumps. Battle X. Apollodinos. Rare foil. And a gold one. I like how inexpensive these cards are as well. That's why I bought this booster box. It was $9.99. I bought this one in a Weiss Schwartz box together. And it was like 20 bucks for the whole thing. So you can't beat that. Uncommon, rare, and then Angel Fish. Angelafish. Alright, shut up. Just open. I mean, that's just gorgeous artwork. Very force of will. These will just go in my binder with my first two sets. Heavenly Emperor Fengguang. Rare. Oh, there's a Cheshire Cat. Common. That's nice foiling. I don't know why. I guess I should just... Fenedish. Oh, weird. Reader. Spearmink. They have fun with the saber collis. With the wordplay. That makes you think of a picture from the spoils. Topaz Sanctuary. Reveal. Nice. Valkyrie Hilder. Rare. And Change Arena. Ooh, you get a... Nice. That's common though. Alright. I'll probably play a few more games of this because I think I have... No, I don't think. I know I have right here 2 unopened starter decks to try out. We need to start playing some of these games that are less expensive than Magic and Sorcery. So oh, he's rare. Pumpty Dumpty? Interesting. Pump and Dumpty, what? Monk Sanzor. Rare foil. Interesting little Pumpty Dumpty, that. Unexpected. Let's see if I can save this pack to go in the binder. Come on, Bandai Namco. Sorry that this is taking so long. Huzzah! Alright. Fighting Foul. Haha. Dark Knight Boars. I wonder if there's a Gawain and a Hector. Ooh, that's cool. I don't know. Dino King Megalosaur. What? Ooh. That's a rare. Common. Ooh. Snow-capped Peak Goddess Scotty. That's really cool artwork with some nice foiling. And yeah, I had a feeling that was a extra rare. I'm sure these cards are not worth anything, even like the extra rares. I think the most valuable card from the first 2 boxes I opened was like $6. Maybe there was one that was 20. I can't remember. Dragon Tarkvim, Diamond Sanctuary. Uncommon. Because I thought about getting one of these cards graded. I try to get one that I like from each set. Or each game that I collect, I should say. Oh, that's cool. Each game that I collect graded. Ocean Knight Allegro. Dagger Angel common foil. Is it he? Yeah, he's the rare. Okay. Ooh, Viper Dragon Huswan Falun. Another extra. Man, look at all that text though. Destroying the balance. So you got to really pay attention. There ain't no Llanowar Elves, I'll tell you that. I also like the thickness of these cards. They're great to put in my kids' bike spokes. Impulsive Pilgrim. Ooh, Dragolem, like it. Black Huntsman Schottenjäger. They love the German. Between Alice in Wonderland and the German language and the German military of World War II, which they, I guess it takes the spotlight off of their own military. Tempting. Another one of them. And Bonatops. Okay. Is that rare? Yeah. Wachino. Cut scene from Beauty and the Beast, maybe? I don't know. Provocation. One of him. Radiant Rainbow Wing Jewel Bug. Epsilon? Rare. Oh, foiled double heart. Ooh, 10 Millennia Turtle Genbu. Or Genbu. That's extra rare. Man, 10,000 hit points. That's why we had calculators and pen and paper when we played. And we haven't even tried Card Fight Vanguard yet, and I have 5 starter decks from that. And then like 10 starter decks to try out from Force of Will. Ooh, that's wicked. So rare. And Water Dragon King Levia. Rare foil. Alright, come on. Speed it up. Vampire Duke Vladiego. So many portmanteaus. I don't even know what the chase card is for this set. I hope I get it though. Or maybe I already have it. Judgment Angel Flagellum. A rare and Durakdal common. I don't know why I keep looking at the tokens. Champungor. Bakruga. Another one of him. Wait, was he rare? Yeah, back to back. Lampquar. Uncommon. There's still better collation. Yeah, collation. Sorry. Than some other games. Like Magic opening packs and getting the same cards in the same order. And Mermaid Princess Lyrica. Extra rare. Up to 5,000. And sorcery, I experienced that a lot in Beta and Arthurian Legends, especially Arthurian Legends, just getting the same ordinaries, or aka commons, just over and over in multiple packs. Break Burst, common. Last few packs. I'm still getting ones I haven't seen yet, which is pretty cool. Snake Man Botis. Rare. Dimensional Rift. Whoa, crazy artwork there. Uncommon. Last 3 packs. Battle X. Got that one already. Is that another rare? Oh, just a foil. I do like also the Soul Core mechanic, the red core that you want to. There you go, Soul Core. You can use it to save your butt for like a last minute attack or a super powerful attack. Emerald Sanctuary uncommon. Was this the rare? Yeah. Ooh, Ancient Guardian Trident Dragon. That. Ooh, SPR. There you go. Super rare. Secret rare. Special rare. Spumoni rare. And the final. So that has got to be the card of the box. So the final pack. See, Emperor Courant Marine. There's rare. Really cool artwork. And Mechanifin. And another golden. There we go. Battle Spirits Saga. Aquatic Invaders. Lenticular Ant-Man token. Thanks for watching. And I hope you all have a great day.